Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7th, subject English. Dear students, today onwards we will start the revision. First of all, we will see the revision of chapter 2, How Things Work. So, let's start our revision of chapter number 2. How things work. We will see activity 2 first. How does it do that? Part 1. Already students we have discussed that we are thinking sometimes, we have wondered that how this mirror works. We have seen that how we can see inside the mirror when actually we are not in the mirror, how we can see ourselves into the mirror. How can a mirror make the things look bigger? For example, also we have seen the side mirror in the car, in the vehicle. The objects in the mirror are close than they appear. Like that is written on the mirror. Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. About that we have seen that the mirror which is used in that car, that is a convex mirror. And convex mirror which works, which diminishes the size. Whenever the object, when it comes closer to the mirror, the image gets larger. And when it reaching approximately to us, it touches the mirror, then it look bigger. As the object, suppose the vehicle moves away, the image is diminishing, decreasing in the size, and gradually it is very far to the vehicle. So the convex mirror is used for the car mirror. Then we have seen about the magnifying glass or a zoom in the camera or a microscope. How can these things work? Look bigger than they are. So that also we have discussed, that in a magnifying glass we see the things bigger. And a microscope also, camera also, zoom when we used, it make the things look bigger only. Then we have seen in the part 2, activity 4, part 2, how does it do that? Part 2, in that we have seen this that how this light works. Different photons also we have seen the meaning. Photons means the different particles of light. So how this photon works, you can see in the image there, that because since light is not there, we are not able to see the things. Because we are able to see the things, the chair, table and many more other things, because of the light only. You can see in the first image, the light falls, and the light means the different particles, photons of the light fall on the things, and it bounce back. Bounce back means is reflect to our eyes, and we are able to see the things. Then how we come to know the shape of the things? That also we will see here, that some things, everything are not having their own light, but some things like a bulb, fireflies, they have their own light. Then through the light only we are able to see the things. You can see here, light is energy made of many very tiny parts, which is called photons. Light is made up of different photons, tiny particles, which is called photon. And these photons of light hit the things. This light, different photons hit the things, suppose chair or a table or whatever, and then it bounces back, it reflects. Just like a ball we throw and how it comes back, that way it reflects. If the things they hit is hard and smooth like a mirror, and almost all the photons will bounce back. Suppose the hard surface, light, the photons fall on that, and all the photons will come back, will reflect. Then we will able to our eyes, and we will able to see the things. If all the photons bounce back, we see the things just like as they are. But if the thing is soft like a blanket, then few photons only will bounce back, and that is also different angle. Suppose the soft thing is there like a blanket, when the light fall, all the photons will not come directly, it will go into the different direction, like you can see in the image 2, you see the things. Now all the photons are not going in one direction, they are going in the different direction to our eyes. So whenever like this soft things are like blanket and others, the few photons will bounce back and they are also bouncing in the different angles. So when they are entering to our eyes, we are able to see the shape of the things. So through that only, through the photons only, we come to know the shape of the particular thing. So that we have seen about the light in activity 4. So this way light works in the first activity, first part. How does it do that? Part 1 we have seen about the mirror, how mirror works and how mirror able to show the image as they are. How, what is the use of the side mirror in the car, that also we have seen. In part 2 we have seen the light, what is the use of the light. The light is useful, and in the light with the small particles are used that are very useful to us. When it enters to our eyes, we are able to see the thing, and when the things are soft or the different shape, the angles are coming to the different angle. The photons are coming to the different angles to our eyes, and we are able to see the shape of that things. Okay, so these two activities, two parts we have discussed previously also, now also. So we will revise it. A few questions will be asked, already the PDFs given to you. I hope you have written in your fair notebook, and the few more questions, multiple choice and other additional questions also today I will send you in the PDF, which you have to write in the fair notebook in the revision part. You have to make the one part in the fair notebook revision, and there we will see the all 3 chapters revision, because our unit test is near only, so we have started the revision. So that revision, whatever the PDFs will be given, which you have to write in the fair notebook, and you have to study it also for the unit test. Okay, so dear students, here we will end our video, and next video we will see the further activity of chapter number 2 as a revision. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye bye, take care.